Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use camera to capture picture and videos to use in notes in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open notes, then open a new note. Now click anywhere on an empty space and then click on this camera icon. Now on the third option you will see take photo or video. Click on take photo or video, and now you can take photos to use in your notes. Capture the picture and then click on use photo. So now this photo is added to your note. So that's how you can use camera to capture picture and videos in notes. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.